Hello friends, welcome to Damo Education. If not yet subscribed, please subscribe and click the bell icon. So in this module, we are going to start our first exercise in probability. So here, we need to fill the blanks here, what they are given. Complete the following statements. Complete the following statements. So probability of an event E plus probability of the event not E. So what is that answer? The probability of an event will be equal to probability, the chance to occur the things. So probability of an event will be equal to existed 1 plus probability of the event not E. So that will be equal to what we will get it here is 1 plus 0. Not E means there is no occurrence of probability for that. So what is total? 1. Then second one, the probability of an event that cannot happen is. So it cannot be happen. So not event. For that, what is the probability? So that is the 0. That is the 0. Next one, such an event is called. What an event? So cannot happen means we know that is it cannot happen means that is impossible event. So impossible event. So probability of such an event is, if the probability of an event is 0, that is not E, whatever the both are same, that is which will not be existed, there is no existence of event, so that is impossible event. So what is third one? The probability of an event that is certain to happen is, so it will happen, that is the what they are telling here is there is a chance to occur event, the probability of that, if it is existed, the probability will be equal to 1. Such an event is called as, what you can take here only it is there, certain events. So certain events. So that is the thing, the probability of event that is certain, then we can call it as certain events. Next one, fourth one, the sum of the probabilities of all the elementary events of an experiment. Elementary events means it will be existed, sum of the probability of all the elementary events. So let's going to take one event, we're going to explain here. So what is that? So let's going to take one event that is elementary events. It will going to divide all the events. Let's going to take E1, E2 sub events. Let's going to take, for your example I'm explaining for your understanding, sub events. So this event probability is 1. So this one is divided into some other parts. So one is divided into some other parts. If you add all these parts, then we will get it as 1. So sum of all these events, so E1 plus E2 plus and so on plus E5 will be equal to 1. 1 is divided. So that is the sum of probabilities of all the elementary events of experiment. One experiment probability is 1. Then what is the probability of an event is greater than or equal to and less than or equal to. So probability of, so event, so 0, event and less than 1. So this is the thing. So event, probability of an event. So what is the value? Probability of event, P of E. So probability of an event is greater than or equal to. So greater than or equal to means probability of event is greater than or equal to 0 and less than or equal to 1. So this is the things. So probability of event, P of E, let's take, is less than, greater than 1 and 0. So probability of event is always greater than or equal to 0. It may be 0 or 1 or in between 0 and 1. So this is the case. Like this we have to write it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.